He's known to be the modern literature father for Tamil. Lived only for 39 years. Only 39 years. During British rule. And during that time, obviously he started writing at 15 years of age. He was awarded by the local that time king for lovely poems. But then he recognized that India is oppressed and there is somebody else ruling India. From there onwards, he started writing for independence. He started writing for social reforms. He was writing against child marriages. So his guts and glory, it was not only one, only the independence. He could really make sense, and obviously a lot of other people were not happy when he was making sense. So he was editor of a Tamil magazine that time. The promoter of that magazine was arrested. People wanted to arrest him, and you know that Pondicherry was ruled by French. So he went to France by going to Pondicherry. And since British couldn't go there, he stayed there 10 years, continued writing. He motivated thousands and lakhs of people to really recognize what's right and wrong. But ये भी जरूरी नहीं कि हर एक वीर को उसकी रिकॉग्निशन उसी वक्त मिल जाए. At very young age of 39 when he died, because of so much pressure from the British government, so much pressure from all the local police that time, only 14 people attended his funeral. You can imagine, जो सबको सही भी कर पा रहा था, उसका साथ भी नहीं दे पा रहा. But later on, yes, all the recognition is there. In 1990s, the Tamil Nadu government did a great step, took over his house, made a museum of it, and every word he is written is almost like a sermon even for the present generation. That's also a bravery, and I like to applaud Subramania Bharati for all the work he did. And imagine somebody like him who's able to पूरे साम्राज्य के खिलाफ लड़ सकता है, और हम लोग शायद छोटी छोटी बातें आपस में होती हैं उसको भी सही गलत बोलने में डरते हैं. तो lack of bravery भी हर रोज है. What you're doing, please you can judge yourself. Again, one more person, love to mention